Hello, welcome to Minest Interiors and Construction. Here, we believe a home isn't just about walls and ceilings. It's creating spaces that reflects lifestyle, comfort, and individuality. In this journey, we are excited to showcase a 3 BHK transformation that goes beyond the ordinary. Every corner has been reimagined with unique, creative, and modern concepts blending functionally with elegance. From carefully designing layouts to customized interiors, this project highlights how thoughtful a design can turn a house into a dream home. Stay tuned as we walk you through this beautiful journey of a 3 BHK transformation. Let's go! So as we enter, we can see a sit-out area. So here we can see a rock wall themed TV unit which is very unique. This might look very expensive, but it is made with a very low budget. So here there is a 3D elephant replica which shows a good sign in the entrance for a house. Come, let's walk into the other section of this beautiful home. As we enter, you can see a Mahabharata themed 3D wall carving. Start into kitchen and dining. For better understanding, let's turn the lights off. As you can see here, this is a very uniquely designed island kitchen with backlit panels. And coming to the other side, here there is a beautiful mirror and a basin. And also you can see a mini bar section. So these are the illuminated glass shelves where you can store all your liquor. And coming here, this is a backlit panel where you can showcase all your wine bottles. Into the fully modular kitchen. The X factor of this modular kitchen is the L-shaped fixed glass, which gives us a beautiful view and also sunlight in the mornings. Coming to this island kitchen, here there is a dining countertop which is included with the concealed stove counter and also a chimney. So here there is a breakfast counter and an elevated crockery unit, unlike other stereotypic crockery units. So here this may look like a tree trunk, but this is a backlit panel which is used for covering the column. Now let's walk into our puja room. this is how it looks when the lights are turned off, and this is how it looks when the lights are turned on.
ನೀರಜಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಲಿಗೆ ವೇಳ ನುಡಿವಿಲ್ಲು ಮುಡಿವಂಸಗಲಡ ಸಡೆ ಚಾಲು ಶತ ಸೈನ್ಯಾಲು ನಡಿಬೇದಿರುಡೈನ ವಸುಧಾವಾಣಿ ಮಿಥಿಲಾವೇಣಿ ಮದಿ ವೆನುಕ ಪಲುಕು పలుకులెరుగగలడా నీలి మేఘములలో ధరణి తేజం నయనాంతరంగములలో వననీనాదం.
Let's have a look at the bedrooms. So I can see a bedroom here and other bedroom here. Where is the other bedroom? It's here. Come on. So coming to this children's bedroom, here we have a very unique backdrop where you can see some rock panels along with the moon, and also the bed is designed as a floating bed. So here there is a tiny hangout area with some storage and also some wardrobes with fluted laminates and rose gold highlighters. So any guesses where the restroom is? You guessed it right. Here we have a long LED glass with some illuminated glass and also some accessorized organizers. So coming to the guest bedroom, which is in purple theme, here you can see a beautiful tropical wallpaper. Cupboards with long shutters and fluted laminates. Here you can see some organizer shelves and a LED mirror and a washroom. Come, let's have a look at this master bedroom. Here we have a bed with some storage, and also you can see a illuminated glass shelves where you can showcase your handbags, and also bed post with some ambient lighting. If you come to the other side, here we can see a long mirror. If you see this wall, we have used a embossed wallpaper with some marble finish. Thank you for joining on this home tour. At Minest Interiors and Construction, we believe every project should be a reflection of comfort, style and personality. If you are looking to transform your space into something unique and meaningful, we'd love to bring your vision to life. For more details, contact us. Thank you.